What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This video is how I turned a product from $0 all the way up to $5,000 in 2 weeks. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get right into the video. Also, 90% of y'all are not subscribed, bro. Subscribe right now, bro. What's up? All right, let me chill. All right, so you know I had to follow up with my last video that was a complete banger. If y'all haven't watched that video, go watch it right now. It's how I turned a product from 0 all the way to 50K in 1 month in one of my first months of dropshipping. Go watch that right now if y'all are new to dropshipping. But yeah, with this video, this is a $0 to $5,000 challenge, all live, all recorded. I recorded every single thing. So yeah, we're gonna have all the proof and show y'all exactly how I did it. And this product specifically was the most ran through product ever. Pause.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Everybody was running this product like last summer, and everybody already tried this product out, ran through it, and I found it and saw this opportunity. So I took advantage as nobody was running the product, and I ran it up 0 to 5K in 2 weeks. That's tough. Let's go. So basically, I was scrolling on TikTok on my burner TikTok account the other day, and a product kept popping up, and it was the most ran through product ever. I seen literally other dropshippers like squeeze all the money out of this product. I've seen it time and time again. This product did work great for them. It was definitely a winning product, but it ran up so much. I thought that this product was dead just because of how many people ran it and how many accounts were made for it. But I kept on seeing it on my For You page. So I took it as a sign and I took action. That's the first step. I had to take action, and I ordered the product on Amazon, and it came in about 3 days. And then once it came in, I made a quick little Shopify store for it. It took like 30 minutes. I can make those stores pretty fast now, but at the start, it definitely was not like that. So don't think it's gonna be like that for your first time if this is your first time dropshipping, or if this is your first dropshipping video. This will not end up like that. When I first started, it took me like a couple days to make my first dropshipping store. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, if y'all want me to make a video on how I make my dropshipping store, just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely drop one. But yeah, after the product came in and after I made the store, I went into making the content. So let's take a trip down memory lane.
A few moments later.
Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm in the car with the product right now, and then we about to go in public places to do like some prank type of videos for the product, because nobody has done that before. Like, that's crazy to me how nobody has done that. So yeah, I'm definitely about to do that. There's definitely a lot of opportunity there. But yeah, I'm about to do that little prankster way, because bro, that's definitely gonna get hella views, bro. And it's going and people are gonna be questioning it, bro, there's no way that product is, that little speaker is doing all that. And it's I'm gonna put it in places hard to find, so people are gonna be like, yo, that's a tough prank idea. Yo, this dude should do it, this dude should do it, this dude should do it, and start tagging their favorite pranksters. And yeah, that's my plan on how I'm gonna run this product. Yeah, hopefully that works out. I'm gonna go to a college right now to film some content. You know, y'all know those YouTube video pranks where people went to the Walmarts and the Giants, and they hid in the paper towels. I'm about to do that with this. I'm about to put it in between the paper towels, so it's kind of hiding it, because those people used to hide in those places for the YouTube video. So yo, that's low-key a good idea for this. If it blew up on YouTube, that idea could low-key blow up on TikTok. So yeah, that's gonna be my game plan for this product. Yeah, I'm taking y'all with me right now. At the college, and I got the product right now, and I'm basically gonna play this video right now, and this video basically inspired me to do all this. So yeah, I'm just about to go in the bathroom and just put this on the mirror, the wall, and just be like, school's not safe or whatever. Hopefully they don't take it down though, because that's kind of wild to put it in a video, school's not safe. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's the plan for the video, and that's the plan for the content today. And I'm also gonna do that at stores too. Be like, stores is not safe, because that dude didn't even do it in stores. His video blew up and he just stopped doing that type of style. So yeah, I'm definitely about to do that type of style. And yeah, and I'm also about to go to the teacher's doors and put it on this, and then record the surroundings. So yeah, that's about to be low-key kind of crazy. But shit, if it can blow up, you feel me, I'm gonna take it. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done.
Real trap shit.
I don't want your bitch, that's why I gave her back. Bitch, we're boring and I do not be with that. Smoking on this tree, I eat with the cat. It be around me cause I don't trust a soul, yeah. Niggas switching up on they bros, yeah. Changing up for these hoes, yeah. That's why I don't fuck around, ay. Smoking up dope.
So I just got done making hella TikToks at the school. So yeah, now I'm about to go to the other places the stores and the grocery stores and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm probably about to catch y'all there. And yeah, then I'm gonna have to edit all these TikToks. And yeah, hopefully these videos blow up. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all at the other locations.
Y'all niggas savage, we still remain trip. My niggas savage, we clutch on that grip. Yeah, I really be in this shit. I don't give a fuck about your feelings, bitch. I jump with that money, chasing dividends. You know how I'm rocking, fuck her and her friends. Yeah, them bitches so hoes. Don't worry, you won't get exposed. Yeah, fucking with the bang rollers. Yeah, come back if you want more. Yeah, ay, why you talking like you know me?
Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm editing this. I'm editing the video right now, and I just noticed a mistake that I did. I could have sworn I recorded this, but I guess I didn't. But I went back to the school the next day because I saw another TikTok on my For You page. I'm about to play it right now. Yeah, I wanted to implement that particular video into my product because I was like, yo, what if I do how to confuse the school, or like how to confuse the store or whatever. And I was like, yo, that's low-key a good idea. So I went back to the college the next day, and I recorded more videos of putting the speaker on like walls and stuff. So yeah, I was good, y'all. I just got home after filming the whole day, and I've edited like 4 TikToks right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just post those tomorrow, and I have more videos to edit. So I have like, I'm probably gonna check back in with y'all in like a couple days. But yeah, this is what I got right now. No, wait till alright, so this is what I got right now. If y'all can see, it's just like no store safe, and then me putting it, and the music's loud and just going around. So yeah, I got a couple more. This is the shower one. So yeah, speaker in the shower. Y'all see the toes? Let me chill. And then what's the other one? Oh yeah, how to confuse the whole school. Yup, we have to add that one too for sure. And the last one, we got this one too, no school is safe. So yeah, I'll post those, and I'm gonna edit a couple more, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a couple days. So yeah.
A few moments later.
I was good, y'all. I'm back. It's been like a week, I'm not gonna lie, but I do got great news. Our videos are blowing up, and we got almost 20K followers. I'm on my second phone right now, so it's not gonna show up. Hold on, let me know the focus. This isn't the account with the phone logged in on my second phone right now, only because I just posted right now, so I don't want the algorithm to get messed up, because you gotta log out right when you post a video. That's at least what I do to get my videos to go up. You can see the I don't know if y'all can see, but the how to confuse the whole school video got 800K views. So yeah, let's look at all the other ones though. So another video that blew up was this one with 2.6 million views, and that video was basically just replying to a comment and then just like showing the employees only, and then going to like another aisle and then putting the speaker right there. So yeah, that's what that video. Let me see the other videos that blew up. All right, right here. No, the no store safe video got 3 million views, and I'm not about to tell y'all how much I'm at in sales right now. I'm gonna save that for the end of the video. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in a couple more days, and yeah, the challenge is a 2-week challenge, so I have 1 more week to get to 5K. So yeah, we out. I just want back, and all I gotta say is, they ain't believe in us, but God did.
I know some niggas in Glayco. We trapping them motherfucking B-roll. I was just praying in the window. Niggas didn't love my flow. Niggas didn't love my flow. I'm on that shit on the level. Why you be talking like hoes? Why you be doing the most? Fell in love with the Draco. I know some niggas in Glayco.
Alright, so we did pass the challenge, but we actually got 4,000 instead of 5,000. But I'm counting it as 5,000 only because the first 10,000 followers I got, I didn't even have like the customers weren't even able to check out because I had a shipping error. If y'all know, if y'all tapped in, y'all locked in with me, you feel me? In my last vlog, I talked about that, and I talked about like how to get around that, and just talked about like all that. So yeah, watch that last vlog. But yeah, so I basically missed out on like 100 add to carts. 100 people added to cart, and nobody bought it because of that shipping error. And everybody just got a shipping error message every time they try to check out. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm counting it as 5,000 instead of 4,000. I put this in the video, but for proof that I actually made this amount of money, I'm about to show y'all my Shopify analytics, right? Let me zoom it in. I'm gonna reload it too. Where is it? All right, reload. Y'all can see it says 4 bins right there, and right there it says the amount of time. So yeah. Oh, so yeah, thank you for watching, and now I'm actually out. Peace.
I know some niggas in Glayco. We trapping them motherfucking B-roll.